With the green light to proceed, the marketing department went ahead and implemented the customer attraction algorithm of the data scientist. However, in response to Aling Maria's request to look into other data that they should consider, the department had felt that this now needs to turn into a real project. Using the successful proof of concept as a business case, she was given the go-ahead to proceed. To manage a project this big, the department head employs an analytics manager. With her project management skills, the analytics manager assembled a team to plan for the project. She knew that she needed a functional analyst and the data scientist to be part of the team. But as they now are going to operationalize the proof of concept, and as they also now need to look into other pieces of information, they need more people in the team. In their first meeting, the functional analyst again gave a hunch, a hypothesis, that product brand and quality matters to buying decisions. Furthermore, she felt that they need to look into social media and/or customer surveys to get feedback about the products that they sell. As they needed new data, they met with a data steward who told them what data they can have, including data about their supplier and products, which is in a totally separate database system. But they don't presently collect customer feedback or social media information. Having some experience managing analytics projects before, the analytics manager determined that they would also need an IT engineer and a data engineer in the team. The IT engineer would have to develop an application that would get customer feedback. The data engineer would need to bring together data from social media, the customer database, the supplier and products database, and the sales database into a single repository for the data scientist to work on her new algorithm. With a carefully laid out project plan, the analytics manager monitors the entire project, providing regular updates to the leadership team and addressing challenges in a timely manner. After data has been consolidated and transformed to pieces of information, the data scientist gained new insights on how product brand and quality and customer feedback affect customer buying decisions. With these insights, the functional analyst came up with imperatives for the leadership team, not only on customer segments that they need to target, but also on the products and brands that they should be selling. With a story on how data was transformed to information, to insights, and to imperatives, the entire analytics project team confidently presented their findings to Aling Maria, who again, at the end, just smiled and said with confidence, "Our market leadership is assured thanks to data."